Let's review the configuration window bar. And we will start with the File menu. The first two options in the File menu will allow you to manage preset files of the current DSP configuration in your computer. If you are interested in presets management, we have a dedicated chapter afterwards. The next two options are to manage entire configurations of the device, so it includes things like network configuration, passwords, etc., which are not included in preset files. It's an easy way to clone units. To create a file of your unit, select Load Flash Image, and then loading a flash image in another unit will make a clone. The last two options allow the administrator to create a backup of all the presets that have been saved in the unit. They can all be restored also in another unit as a block using the Restore Presets option. To know more about presets, we recommend you seeing the corresponding chapter.